Hi, I'm CAROLYN RHODES. I live in Marion Station, and I help people navigate moves across the main line in Philadelphia. I work with buyers and sellers, but a big part of what I do is help people understand their options. Sometimes people just aren't sure if they're ready to move or not. They just want to understand what's possible. On this YouTube channel, I give practical advice on buying and selling, understanding the local markets, and what it's like to actually live in communities like Narberth, Marion, Ballackinwood, Radnor. Whether you're looking to move now or the next few months or even the next few years, my goal is to give you the information you need to make a confident decision. And if you ever want to talk through your situation, I'm always available for a conversation. So contact me at 610-745-3423.